A new digital diagnosis tool has been cleared by the FDA. Welcome, friends of Ai4Autism. In this episode, we're taking a look at the article on Fierce Biotech. FDA clears digital tool to help diagnose autism in children as young as 16 months. Written by Andrea Park. So let's begin. Diagnoses of autism spectrum disorder have skyrocketed in the US since the turn of the millennium, when 1 in every 150 children were diagnosed with the condition. And 2 decades later, according to the CDC, that now includes 1 in every 44 children, wow, measured among the nation's 80-year-olds. Despite the growing recognition of autism's prevalence in young children, its diagnosis can still be severely delayed. The median diagnosis age sits around 4 or 5 years old, even though symptoms can be observed within the first 18 months of life, stretching out the time it takes for kids to get the support and treatment they need. The rise of digital diagnostics may be the key to speeding up those diagnoses, which can be even further delayed for girls and for children from low-income and non-white families. Amazing. Last year, the FDA handed down its first clearance for an app from Cognoa that uses machine learning to analyze videos of children interacting with others and performing tasks, as well as surveys from caregivers and doctors to help diagnose autism spectrum disorder. A year later, the agency has cleared another digital tool to detect signs of autism, this one from Early Tech Diagnostics. The early point evaluation uses eye tracking technology to monitor a child's focus and responsiveness while viewing short videos of social interactions between other kids. According to Early Tech, the looking behavior of young children with autism can deviate from that of typically developing children as many as 1,000 times during a single testing session. Artificial intelligence analyzes a child's eye movements and compares those findings to benchmarks for the child's age to spot any disparities between the social learning expectations and reality. The results of early tests distinguish between different levels of social, verbal, and nonverbal abilities. The technology was developed by researchers from Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, the Emory University School of Medicine, and Yale University. How we quantify moment-by-moment behavior of a child not only provides objective measures of each child's strengths and weaknesses today, measures that can be universally available and accessible to all families, it provides a digital health platform that can support care in the future, so that all individuals affected by autism receive timely individualized care, says Sreen Narayan, Early Tech's Chief Technology Officer. Compared to the Cognoa app, which is indicated as a diagnostic aid for children between 18 months and 6 years old, the Early Tech tool covers a narrower and slightly younger age group. The FDA cleared it for use with children as young as 16 months and up to those aged 2.5 years. The FDA clearance comes shortly after another win for Early Tech that arrived in the form of an 8-figure funding round. Well done, Early Tech. The Atlanta-based startup announced the $19.5 million financing in February, courtesy of Home Depot co-founder Bernie Marcus and Georgia Research Alliance. At the time, Early Tech said the money would help support its FDA submission and subsequent commercialization of the technology, as well as the expansion of its digital biomarkers and AI platform. Well, congratulations, Early Tech. This is absolutely fantastic. And while we're working on our own digital diagnosis and solutions, it's wonderful to see others in the industry doing amazing things and moving the world forward to support our wide autistic community. Thank you all for watching. What are your thoughts on the developments of Early Tech's technology and the FDA approval? Do share below, comment, subscribe, like, etc. Thanks for the love, and remember, love, life, and AI.